Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the OPV Beauty Tropical Dreams eyeshadow palette. This palette is available now to purchase. It's an 18 eyeshadow palette that retails for $36.41 once you convert it to US dollars. You can use affiliate codes on this palette to bring down the price to $32.76. You'll be saving around $3.64. This, I believe, is OPV's 7th eyeshadow palette, and I can say that their quality of packaging has improved so much. The packaging of this palette feels nice and it has a good weight to it. It's a cardboard palette with a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror. This is a complete cool tone palette, but honestly it's colors that I do see myself reaching out for. I usually stay away from cool tone palettes because I hardly use cool tone shades, but the shades in this palette are colors we usually use in the summer. After swatching the palette, I'm unsure if it's a completely cool tone palette since the last shades have orangey and bronzy shades. Let me know in the comments if this palette would be considered a mixed or a cool tone palette. So out of the 18 eyeshadows, 7 are mattes and 11 are shimmers. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed under each eyeshadow. When I did my swatches for the mattes, they felt more on the dry side, but they were still soft, if that makes any sense. After the swatches, I went back to test the eyeshadows some more, and the mattes performed better and they felt less dry than the first time I tested them. Like the navy blue eyeshadow, it showed up a bit patchy on my swatches, but after I filmed, I did go back and swatch them again, and it did swatch evenly, and it actually swatched even more pigmented. So this is one of those palettes that the eyeshadows will perform better once you pass the first layer. The mattes did have some kick up and fallout. I tried them with MAC's Paint Pot and they all blended out without any issues. For the shimmers, some felt soft and creamy and others felt more on the dry side, but they all still swatch pigmented and evenly. These I definitely recommend a wet synthetic brush or using your finger to apply these for a better payoff. So overall, if it's a color story you like, I do recommend it. It has pretty shades that can be used as pop-up colors. I personally don't think it's an expensive palette, being that it has 18 eyeshadows and it has pretty and good quality packaging. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.